Let's talk about the most exotic and delicate protein. Yes, it's all about the seafood and its flavors today. So let's dive in. So my tips for buying seafood for best flavors. As they say, a fish should not smell fishy. So follow your nose. The eyes tell the story. So the eyes should be wet, not droopy or cloudy. सबसे पहले, जब आप fish पकाएं, तो the pan should be searing hot. Too much flipping of the fish will cause the outer layer damage. When you want to flip the fish, तो चिमटा इस्तेमाल ना करें. Always use a spatula. Now, let's talk about the prawns. My rule of thumb to maximize the flavors of the prawns are: firstly, devein the prawns. Because जो vein है, वो ना सिर्फ flavor को, बल्कि आपकी dish को खराब कर देगी. For maximum flavors, cook your prawns to a perfect pink. The tail should be reddish pink and the skin should be whitish opaque. The lobster. When buying the lobster, two things. पहली बात, should have long antennas and दूसरी बात, should have good amount of meat. Lobsters cook fast. Overcooking meat को tough करती है और flavors को spoil. So, when the lobster is cooked, it turns red. Keep an eye on that color. This was all from me. I hope you guys enjoyed our flavorful journey of the seafood. Until next time, happy cooking!